welcome to my channel, or welcome back. I hope you guys had an amazing Easter. Here's a little before of how my closet is looking. Today's video is going to be a closet organization. So when I first organized this closet, I bought these little baskets, and honestly, I should have bought bins. So that's what I'm going to be doing today, is reorganizing this whole closet. And instead of having everything in like baskets, I'm going to put them in bins and label them so it looks more organized. I bought this label maker at Target, and also I bought these bins as well. I bought two of these, one of these, and then like two of those in the bottom. So hopefully that is enough bins. If not, then I'll have to go back to Target and buy some more. I'll be starting off by taking everything out of the closet. That way I can go ahead and vacuum and also mop the floor.
You're up in space, you're inside the noise, I can feel you. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart, I hope I'll be your destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you want.
Alright, so here is everything that was inside the closet. Let's get into organizing everything into bins, and then we'll put everything back.
You're gone now, but you're coming back. Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind, it's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. I hope I'll be your destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your destination. Right now I'm standing in the corner. I see you from across the room. It's kinda crowded here, but I know you see me too. Everybody's singing oh, everybody's singing oh. I don't know what it is about you. It must be in the way you move. Just say you want me to. We've got nothing to lose. You're looking so you're looking so
I have these little arts and craft organizer that I bought from Amazon a couple months ago whenever I first organized that hallway closet, and honestly, like, these drawers were just a mess. So I just went in each one by one, took everything out, wiped it down with some Clorox wipes, and I organized everything back in there.
Just say the word and we can leave this place. I'll take you anywhere you want. As long as we're together, everything we'll do. You got me going oh, you got me going oh. Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do. Baby, let me love you.
So I pretty much have everything organized in bins. I am gonna quickly order to pick up from Target, I would say 2 more bins, one for the cables and all of that stuff, and another one for like my candles and stuff from Bath and Body Works that I have like left over, I'm not gonna use at the moment. I organize all the drawers, and then I have this back here, that mess, but I'm gonna start putting everything inside the closet and just keep organizing everything out here. So I wanted to show you guys how easy it was to use this label maker that I bought from Target. Super affordable, super cheap, only $17. All you have to do is just type in whatever you want to make the label for, press print, and the side of like the label maker, there's a little scissors button, and you just press that and it'll just cut the tape label right off, and you just place it on whatever you want to place the label on. Here's the after, guys. I love the way everything looks. It looks way more organized than what it was before. Honestly, from the beginning, I should have just bought like these bins and labeled them. So I just labeled all of them. And the baskets that I did have, I put the cups in there. And then I just kept all the extra bins and basket that I have, just in case I need it for anything else in the house. I can use it in the kids' room or in my room. But yes, this is the after. Hopefully this is gonna be better to like keep up with and keep everything clean. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless.